Hi, I'm Brian Van from SportBikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a video review on the all-new Dainese Pro Metal RS gloves. This is a high-end gauntlet glove. It's going to be suitable for racing, pretty much any level of racing, track days, and or street riding. This glove retails for around $250, $249 I believe is the price point on it, and I think it offers a good blend of quality, features, and benefits, so it's a solid value at that price point. There's quite a distance between this and their full metal RS, okay? But the gloves at the end of the day are really pretty close, so you need to decide whether or not that extra $100 for the full metal is worth it for you if this is going to get done what you're looking to do. What I can say is that as compared to the full metal, just a little bit better feel here because some of the changes they've made. For example, on the back of the hand here, instead of using that metal plate, they have a high density piece of foam here. I think the glove, just a little bit more feel than we see from that full metal, and that's really what some people are looking for. Sizing. 2X is what I normally wear. Got on a 2X now. The fit and feel is what I think it should be. It fits well for me. What I'm saying there is if you're normally a large or medium, order that size. I think you'll get a good fit the first time. Of course, if there's any issues with fit, we make the exchanges pretty simple here. Very painless. We are always here to support you. Features and benefits. Palm slider, distortion control system on the pinky. Those are two keys. The palm slider is a very simple concept. Low coefficient of friction from the plastic, okay? A lot lower than that of the leather. Most of us, when we go to fall, we put our hands out to brace ourselves. Instinct. Standard leather can grab the tarmac, which can transfer a bunch of energy into your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder, or it can grab and send you tumbling. All those things, they're no fun. The plastic, it slides easy. You put your hand out, slides out from underneath you, and it gets you slide on your back, your shoulder, where you should be. It helps to prevent the tumble, which is very key. We love to see that. They've used a little harder compound than they have in the past. That's also good. This distortion control is really very similar to that, as in it'll slide easily. So it fortifies this. This is a very vulnerable spot here, side of the pinky. But if you look here, when I go to push on this pinky in the direction that it doesn't want to go, I mean, I'm really pushing this. And the glove is stopping my finger from moving. If you look at road racers, guys have been doing it for a long time before equipment got really good. There are a lot of old school road racers. They have some unbelievably jacked up pinkies. Some are missing pieces. I mean, there's a lot of different stuff. Dainese has really focused on this distortion control here for this pinky because it was a real problem, and they've done more in this area than really anybody else has. And I got to tell you, I really like what I'm seeing. I think it adds a ton of value to the gloves. And the cool part is, it doesn't really take a lot of feel away, and it protects this real vulnerable spot. Because realistically, when riding a motorcycle, you could take this thing and just throw it. You don't even need the pinky, realistically. Unfortunately, you need it in everyday life, and it's great to have it protected when you're on your bike. Large panel of leather is used in the palm. It is pretty much the size of your entire hand. It'll actually roll over each fingertip, extends from here over the side of the glove. Reduces the seam count, enhances feel and protection. Petard's leather overlay here in the high wear area increases the service life of the glove. Got a nice grip panel here, interacts with the grips on your motorcycle. That is cool. In between each finger, we have perforation. That is the best way to bring air into a glove, is to perforate between the fingers. Staying on the fingers, we have leather overlays, carbon knuckle protectors, and they've really changed up these elasticated panels here in the fingers now. You can see how big they are. It really enhances the feel of the glove quite a bit. Like to see that. That's a nice add. Same concept here in the thumb. Elasticated panel between the knuckles. PU protectors underneath the leather. Additional overlay. Lots of protection. Back of the hand. Carbon composite knuckle protector. Energy absorbing foam behind it. Leather overlay. Got a nice elasticated panel here, and this moves really nice. Back of the hand is protected well with this high density piece of energy absorbing foam. We have foam protecting the back of the end of the ulna here and the side of the wrist. Some abrasion resistant fabric, which is really out of the impact zone. It keeps the glove wearing light. Safety strap here around the wrist. Velcro adjustment around the gauntlet. Kevlar stitching Kevlar matting inside the glove. All in all, what do we think about this glove? This is an excellent choice. This is a great option for a rider who's looking for a high-end glove, but they're not really comfortable spending that $350 price point that you'll find from the Full Metal RS glove or some of the other high-end gloves from the other manufacturers. It's a nice product. It fits well. I love the technology they're using here and here. It's a good option. I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com. This is the all-new Pro Metal RS glove.